Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete items in favorites on the Nike Store application. So how do I delete items in favorites on the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial Nike Store app screen. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear, like this. Next, tap the Favorites menu. This will appear. To delete an item from Favorites, tap the love icon next to the item. You can see that the item has been successfully removed from my favorites. So that's the tutorial on how to add items to favorites on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.